Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss Python valid and invalid variables. I listed 10 variables. Few of the variables are valid and few of them invalid. Identify one by one. I starting with first one, 12 num. This is invalid variable. Why this is invalid? Because the variable name must start with letter or underscore. So here start with number, so this is invalid. So number is coming after the letter or underscore, so this is invalid. First one is invalid. Second one is num1. This is valid identifier. This is valid identifier. Why this is valid? The first starting with number and followed by starting with letters followed by number, so this is valid. Second one invalid. Guess me why this variable is invalid? Because here the two words considered two words, here little gap, so this is not, the special space or special characters are not allowed during the declaration of variable, so this is invalid variable. So next one, the same is valid variable. Why this variable? Because using underscore. I never use underscore. This is two names, file one name, name another name. So it will join now using underscore. So using underscore, the variable is valid. The next one, this is invalid. Why this is invalid? Because for is a keyword of the Python, and any C++, any programming language, for is a keyword. So some of the keywords are never used in the Python variables or programming language variables. Here is valid. Sixth one is valid because starting with underscore. Seventh one is invalid. Why? Because we are using hyphen, not underscore. This is hyphen, underscore is joining the, let us, bottom of the two words. This is center of the two words. So this is hyphen minus. So this is invalid. Hyphen means the special characters not allowed in the during the declaration of variable. This is valid. Both are capital or small are valid. This both are letters. The eighth one is valid. Ninth one is valid also because it's starting with underscore and followed by number, so this is valid. And last one is invalid because we are using special characters, dollar. So 1 2 3 4 5, the 5 variables are invalid and 5 variables are valid. So I think all of them know the valid in variable. Before I explain this video, mention your name in the comment box and share your friends for really eager to learn Python programming for beginners. Thank you.